Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Come test drive the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.